what actually matters for healthcare brands in terms of socials? Like, what do they actually need to be building? And I think it's a twofold movement. I think the absolute best thing that a healthcare brand could be doing in terms of socials is they need, on their actual personal socials, they need a diversity of different people speaking about the same issue. So speaking on a very top level. So let's take, for example, if you are a fertility clinic, for example, what you need is a lot of different healthcare practitioners, like healthcare actual professionals that work within your team. You need them answering just basic questions about fertility that the wider scope of people are thinking. And this isn't even stuff that like necessarily, this isn't the reason for people to come in. It's just the second that people start thinking of you when they think fertility. So for example, you're just answering questions like, what is fertility? How long am I fertile for? Just the really basic questions that the general population has on their mind, so that you can hit every single perspective exactly, and so that you can actually attract every single different target audience.
Yeah, because there's so many. When you reach people digitally, I think back in the day, if you were a shop in High Street, you would only be able to get customers that walk past your street. When you put stuff online, you have the potentiality to reach anybody and everybody. And
exactly.
So that's why you need to market to, you need to be able to have representation and messaging that could work for such a wide range of people and constantly be doing that.
Okay, so let's say we take fertility clinics. So what do they need to do? Number one, if they have their own socials. So and on there they're posting lots of diverse faces, lots of diverse people, so that you can hit every single target audience that
but
you might have.
Also very high level. So like, what is fertility? Like, how long does this treatment last? What actually happens during
exactly
treatment? Things that you'd want to know about.
And so via that, you're getting this like huge wider audience, and you're going for the reach. You want to be able to reach as many people as possible. So for example, after posting for I think it was 2 months, one of the clinics that we posted for one of the brands that we posted for, we hit 4 million views on one of the videos. On just one video, 4 million views. That is 4 million people that now have seen your video and associate whatever topic that was. I think we were talking about menopause with that brand. Yeah. So that is like step one. That's for the brand. That's what the brand account should be all about. And that should be across YouTube, that should be across Instagram Reels, that should be across TikTok. Hit those main platforms people are on.